How to change Bitmoji avatar style on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Bitmoji avatar style on your Snapchat. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Snapchat app. And then once you're on your Snapchat, tap on your profile picture here in the top left corner. And then here you will see your Bitmoji. Tap on it, and here you will see few options to change your style of your Bitmoji. Change outfit, share outfit, pose and background, change selfie and edit avatar. So first I will show you the change outfit. So tap on it, and here you will get the option to change your avatar's outfit. So you can select the outfit you want, and then after selecting, tap on save here in the top right corner. And then here you will get the option to share outfit. If you tap on it, you can share your avatar's outfit with your friends. And then here is the pose and background option. So tap on it, and here you will get the backgrounds. So from here you can select whatever background you want. And then here you will get the poses. So if you tap on it here, and here you can select the pose you want of your avatar. And then to save these backgrounds and poses, tap on save here in the top right corner. And then here is the change selfie option. Tap on it, and from here you can select what selfie of your avatar you want. And then after selecting, tap on done. And here the last option, edit avatar. In edit avatar, you can edit your avatar's hairstyle, hair color, mustache, specs, eyebrows, and all of this, facial expressions and body type. So after selecting, just tap on save here in the top right corner, and your avatar style will be changed. And so this is how you can change your Bitmoji avatar style on your Snapchat app. Thanks for watching.